Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to go through, what I've been making in the last few days or couple of days on the stock market, okay? So because yesterday I did post up a video on day 12. So day 12 would have been like a couple of days ago, all right? So look, day 12 was a massive day, just broke all records on the stock market, okay? So I made about, $47 or $48 or something like that, yeah? And today I've made some more. And I'm just going to quickly show you the app that I'm using to buy my stocks. I've got a couple of apps. I've got the ComSec app and I've got the ComSec Pocket app, okay? So just to give you an idea what's happening, that like I said, the first day was about $48 or something or other, and today my profits have gone up since I started to $99 and a few cents, okay? Now another update is that I put the penny stocks up for sale and I sold them, and they sold at a little bit higher, but 0.5% higher than what I bought them for, okay? Which basically means that I didn't lose any money on selling that stock. I actually made some money. So I didn't make very much. It was like about $4, but that covers all the costs of buying and selling as well. So it costs about $10 to do a trade on the ComSec website, okay? So it took me $10 to get in and then $10 to get out. And so, but all in all, because I sold the stock at 0.5% more than what I bought in, I'm up by $4 for that one, okay? Now, just to let you know, when you sell your stocks, you can actually do a couple of things, okay? You can actually set a limit of what you want, the lowest amount you want to sell them at or even buy them at, and all that sort of thing. And then you can just leave it. You can leave it for, like, you can do a 24-hour thing, and if it doesn't work out, then you have to do another one, or you just set it in there until the limit passes. Okay, so I put it in until it was sold, sort of thing, and it sold. Like, I got an email this morning saying it was sold this morning. So yeah, that's good. But then what happens is you have to wait for the stocks, like the money, to clear, and then they put it back into your account. So that's going to take a couple of days, yeah? I'm not going to get this money until Friday, probably Friday morning. So yeah, that's the standard procedure, okay? So the other standard procedure is when you're buying in, you buy it and then they actually go and buy the stock for you. You don't even have to have money in there to do it, but they take the money out 2 days later, and if you need to have the money in there within the 48 hours, okay? So I'm just going to show you quickly what the app looks like, and I'll just show you my earnings, okay? So you know that I'm not just, making it up. Okay, so this is the app. It's actually this is ComSec Pocket, and you can see that that's the total amount that my stocks are worth. So I've got $5,081.14 in there, and then just below it, if you can see it, there's a green arrow, and the green arrow means that you've made some money. If you have a red arrow, it goes down, and that means you've lost that amount of money. So the total that I've made so far on this particular stock is $99.16, okay? And then in brackets, it tells you how much it's gone up. So it's gone up 1.99%, okay, since I've started. All right, so this updates every single time the stock goes up or down, okay? Okay, so you can see that I've made some profit, okay, and I'm quite excited about it. It's been pretty good. and I expect this whole week to be really, really good. So don't forget to subscribe, okay? I need more subscribers. And the other news that I've got is that I got paid today, so I'm able to buy more stocks. And to be honest, I'm not really sure what kind of stocks I want to buy, whether I want to buy the same stocks or whether I want to buy a different type of stock, because, you know, as far as I am concerned, I've got an ETF, so, you know, there's like 100 companies in there that I'm invested in. So I've got a choice. I can diversify into another sort of type of stock. So these are like tech companies and things like that, yeah. So I could diversify and buy a ETF in, for example, high dividends, or I can do it in the blue chip companies or something like that. So that's a choice. I could do that, or I can even just buy an individual stock that I'm really fond of. So I am thinking about a few of these more expensive stocks, but I'm just trying to work out just if it's going to be worth my while to buy these more expensive ones rather than the sort of medium low range, which I've done so far. So the one that I've got at the moment, the tech savvy ones, I bought in at about $20.84 on average, because I bought them at different times. So I bought one lot and that was a lot cheaper, and then I bought another lot that was a bit more, so it sort of averaged out to $20.84, and now they're at $21 and I think 16 cents, something like that. Yeah, so they've gone up quite a bit. It's gone up almost 2%, and that's like really awesome. That's really good. And it's only been it's gone up 2% in 2 weeks. So we are really at a record high for this types of returns that you can get on stocks just by leaving it in there, buying them and just leaving them in there. And yeah, and the other thing is I've been doing a bit of research, and you know, you've got some people trading the stock, so you basically, they're, you know, making all these it's like gambling, yeah. So you basically trade, you buy and you sell within the same day or whatever, and there's a lot of videos on there saying that they lose quite a bit of money by doing that. About 90% of traders, people that trade the stock, they lose all them like large amounts of money because they're trading, because it's very volatile it can be quite volatile through the day, and you can't really predict it. So yes, there are some people that do make money and other people don't. So, you know, the stats aren't very good they're not in your favor. And I saw a video where they actually described it, or they compared trading to like being on heroin, yeah. That's what gambling is like, yeah. Gambling is like being on heroin. So that's what they're doing, they're gambling. And you don't want to gamble your money, okay? You don't want very high risk. The way that you have low risk is to stick your money in there and just go and pass through all the waves, yeah. It's going to go up, it's going to go down, whatever, right? And you have to just stick it out. Stocks are long-term investment. Even though I'm only doing this challenge for 90 days, it's only because, you know, I'm just starting out in the stock market and I just want to see what it's like, sort of thing, yeah. And also the other thing is I do want to buy a house at the end, like in next year sometime, so in 2020. So yeah, yeah, this is a really exciting time for me, and I'll see you tomorrow for your next update. See you then. Bye.